Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Hello to all you plant lovers. It's great to see you again on our HH Beauty Garden channel. If you're passionate about gardening and enjoy propagating plants yourself, then today's video is definitely for you. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. In this video, HH Beauty Garden will share a super simple and highly effective method for propagating roses. I'm sure that after watching, you'll be able to transform rose stems into lush, vibrant new plants with your own hands. How to propagate rose cuttings with milk and garlic. Let's dive into each specific step. Step 1. Making a natural rooting mix. First, we'll make a natural rooting mix. Put the skins of 2 garlic bulbs along with 1 peeled and minced garlic clove in a clean glass jar. To prepare the pickling solution, pour 200 milliliters of boiling water into the jar containing the garlic peels and soak for 10 minutes to extract the essence and natural antibacterial essential oils. When the soaking time is over, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove the residue, retaining the clear liquid for soaking the branches. Then stir in 100 milliliters of fresh milk. This mixture helps protect your cut from infection, and the milk provides gentle nutrients to support root growth. Please use within the same day, as this is a natural product and will spoil quickly. Step 2. Preparing the rose cutting. Next, let's prepare the cutting. Choose a rose stem that is not too young and not too old, about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Cut off the leaves at the bottom of the branch to limit water loss and create conditions for better root development. Gently prune the leaves near the dormant buds, avoiding damaging this area as this is where new growth will develop. Cut it neatly at a 45-degree angle just below a leaf node to increase the contact area, helping the roots grow better and limit infection. Step 3. Soaking and planting the cutting fin. Dip the base of the cutting about 3 to 5 centimeters into the milk and garlic solution and leave for a few hours. Soaking cuttings in a solution of milk and garlic helps stimulate strong root growth and protects cuttings from harmful agents. In this method, I use sand as a growing medium, which helps ensure good drainage and maintain stable moisture levels. Sand helps create open space for the roots to thrive, reduces waterlogging and rot, and promotes healthy growth of the cuttings. Use a garlic and milk solution to moisten the sand in the cup. This helps to sterilize the growing medium and create an initial nutrient medium, helping the cuttings grow faster and stronger. Insert the cutting into the center of the sand cup with the leaf buds facing out to help new shoots grow more easily. Step 4. Creating the ideal environment for root development to help your cutting thrive. You want to keep moisture in but avoid overwatering. Use a large upside-down cup to create a mini greenhouse effect, effectively keeping the cuttings moist and protected. Place the pot in a shady spot with soft filtered light. No direct sunlight. Mist lightly every day to keep the air moist. Every few days, you can spray a little milk diluted with water, about 1 part milk to 5 parts water, to help the plant absorb nutrients naturally. Step 5. Seeing results and potting up. After just 10 to 14 days, you should start to see new shoots emerging and strong white roots clinging to the growing medium, a sign that the cuttings are doing very well. When that happens, congratulations, your rose is ready to be potted up and grow freely. Sprinkle a little turmeric powder on the cut to naturally disinfect and help the wound heal quickly, reducing the risk of root rot during the cutting process. And that's it, a natural and peaceful way to grow roses from cuttings. No chemicals or fancy tools required, just a little time, patience, and care. Was this method easy for you to follow? If you've tried this technique before or have any other tips for propagating roses, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and let HH Beauty Garden know. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with other plant lovers, and most importantly, subscribe to the HH Beauty Garden channel so you don't miss our next gardening tips. Happy gardening from our HH Beauty Garden.